Hello guys, you're welcome to the Woko tutorials. All right, this is wonderful. Now I want to quickly show you in this video how to make money by simply writing on this platform. There's a platform I want to show you, and you can be making money from it every day by simply writing without you writing yourself. So please watch this video from the beginning to the end, and please keep on sharing, and before you share, please quickly make sure if it's the first time, click on the subscription, right, and the notification bell as well, so that you'll be informed anytime we drop information like this on your doorpost. All right, God bless you. Hello guys, well done, God bless you. Okay, now the first thing I want to let you know is this. Okay, I'm giving out this bonus for those who go to join this the live training that is coming by next week Wednesday. All right, the truth is you can actually get free courses from Udemy. All right, and so this platform I'm in right now, okay, is going to be giving you free courses, like as I want to show you now. Right, what you do is, without wasting time, is just come in. If I give you the link now, this link going to be given to only those who are paid for the courses. I'm going to be getting free courses every day. All right, so what you do is click on this link. All right, click on this link. Look at what you do. Right, I'm going to drop the link for you, don't worry. When you click on the link, when you come in here right now, it will take you to your browser, and then click on this red stuff here. Just click on it, and so it's going to be giving you free courses that you can actually learn on. You can see this course you're supposed to learn at what is actually supposed to be going for 4,500 as it is. You can see that right now, but here you can click on this enroll now to enroll for free. Okay, let it roll. This is it. You can see, just click on this enroll now. So it is 0 naira instead of 4,500. You can see I've enrolled now, and so you can go through this course, okay, again and again and again. I mean, at your own free time, because I've enrolled it. Okay, Udemy will not going to take it away from you again for life. It becomes your own course for life. So how do I have access to that course? Okay, what you do is, let me show you. Udemy app. All right, download Udemy app and sign up. By the time you sign up, okay, you'll have access to all the courses that I've enrolled. All the courses, like I'm telling you, I have 100 plus courses that I've enrolled so far from that platform that I just show you right now. Okay, so what you do is, you can see my learning. If you come here to click on my learning, it will show you all the courses I've enrolled, all of them, the one you have gone through and the one you're about to go through. And as you go through these courses and finish these courses, right, they're going to be giving you a certificate for you doing this, and this certificate can be presented anywhere in the world. Udemy. All right, so let's say I want to go through this course. I just click start course. Just click start course like this. All right, and then click get started, and then I start listening to the course and start studying. This is one of my secrets of making money online. So guys, if you're interested in this, okay, pay your 1,000, pay the 1,000 naira and enroll in the live class, okay, that is coming up by next week Wednesday. And I'm telling you, I'm going to make sure that, okay, you're going to get a lot from doing this. All right, this is a bonus for you guys who are coming to that course. I'm waiting for you to get enrolled and get this for yourself. All right, let's see you over there. Okay guys, in this video, all right, I want to show you how you can make money from Opera. All right, Opera News as it is. Now come to any of a browser and type the word hub.opera.com. Type that, okay, and it's going to lead you to this platform as I'm in right now. You're going to say become a creator. Opera News empower you to turn your creative passion into a thriving career. So please, when you come here, don't log in with Facebook, log in with what? Google. All right, type on Google, and then it's going to lead you to this other platform. Just wait for it. What you do, quickly log in with any of your email address you have with you that is make available. Log in with any email address, because you say enter with Google, right? So when you do that, it's going to show you. Please, I want you to make sure you register with your real name. I'm just showing you this as a practical class. All right, I've already have my account, but make sure you register with what? With your real name. Don't use something else. Okay, use the exact name as you have it on your ID. Exactly. So put your phone number. All right, so let me quickly do all of that. I'm going to get back to yours. Hold on. So as you click on sign in with Google, right, it's going to show you, because Google already have some of your details. All right, so what you need to do is just put in your nation. You just click on Nigeria, whatever the country you are watching this video, right, put in your country name, and then they go ask you to confirm it. It will lead you to this other pop-up here right now, this platform as it is. So when you get what you do is you put your username, the category you want to set, and then the photo that you want to use, and then the biography, or you can just tell a little bit of yourself. I can get this done using what? AI. Okay, with ChatGPT you can get this done. Then click on next. Okay, so just wait for me. Let me quickly do that too. And let me quickly show you something. Right, I put my username, the area, the category you want. Okay, just click on the drop down, right? And I took business and industrial. All right, and they would ask to put a photo. Just click on it to lead you to your gallery. Pick up your photo. Then here your biography, not like your bio, right? Your bio, that's my biography. So what you do is in the next code that is coming up, I can use ChatGPT to write. Look at it. I asked ChatGPT, I say write a bio for me, not more than 100 words. So ChatGPT gave me this. All right, very simple. So what I do is just click on this place to copy it. All right, and then I'm going to take it back to the platform here. Just come over here, tap, paste it here. All right, so when I paste, what I'm going to do is just to edit if I want to edit. All right, and we are good to go. So all right, please remember your bio should not be more than 150 words according to them, right? Just click on next, and it will take you to the next one. All right, now in this next section, right, that you have, make sure you put your legal name. Okay, your legal face, my last name. Put in the ID card you want to use. If you click on this drop down here, right, you're going to see international passport, driver license, and national ID card, right? You use anyone you have, and then put in your phone number you want to use, and then next it. Is that okay? Just next it. So the next you're going to do is to put in your payment detail. You can use OPay or you can use MiniPay. MiniPay is for you to get dollars. You go to get, if you have MiniPay account, okay, you can use it. You go to get dollars, then later withdraw to your OPay or your local bank account. But I think if you have OPay, which is easier, you can use OPay directly to your local bank account, okay? So put in your OPay number, account detail, and all of that, and then your referral code, which is I'm going to give to you, right? I'm going to give my referral code, which you're going to use, all right? And then we are good to go. So let me say this, okay? When you get to this OPay, right, make sure you put your phone number. Just put a phone number. Don't try to remove the first number, right? Put a phone number because they need 11 digits, right? Now, if you don't have OPay, you can quickly register here, all right? You can quickly register and you are good to go. Then click on, make sure you tick this, all right? I have understood and read whatever. Then you click on confirm, all right? Then you submit. Please double check the whatever. Then you submit. So when you are done, it's going to lead you to this way, right? I'm going to see published, following, credit score 100, right? And all of that's going to be here. Okay, this is the first platform you're going to be seeing, exactly. And then what you also do is what you click here as your referral code to share with others, okay? And as you share, you're going to be getting more points coming to you, right? All right, so for you to make money from this platform, right, what they're going to do is they're going to approve it, all right? They're going to go through it, and by the time they are cool with whatever they have seen, they review it and they approve it again, you can start posting and be making money from Opera, all right? And it's very simple, okay? If you follow me to my course, all right, I'm going to be showing you how you can also write and make money by writing simple posts, okay? Maybe I'm going to in the next program I'm going to show you something very little about it, okay? So there's something you can see that actually help you to write without you writing, okay? You actually use ChatGPT to write, so you're not actually writing, all right? You're not really writing yourself, but you're going to use ChatGPT to write, and then you'll be making money from this platform. So please don't joke with this, all right? So you got to wait and approve. Now please, when they approve yours, okay, let me know. Let me know that I've approved it, okay? Okay, so by the time they approve it, you won't be seeing this notice here. You won't be seeing this again. Is that okay? So when they approve your own, work quickly and create an account now, okay? And when they approve it, let me know. All right? God bless you.